Hi friends, today I explain you exercise 8.1 question number 1. So just read this question. Using appropriate property to find means we need to simplify these two questions. Okay, so internally two questions are given. Using appropriate properties we need to simplify it. We need to find the answer. Okay, so our first question, it is minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. First of all, we need to find the total number of terms. I explain you in the theory part, that is addition or subtraction can separate the terms, but multiply and division does not separate the terms. Okay, only addition and subtraction separate the terms. Multiply and division, that cannot separate the terms. That means whenever we see positive otherwise negative sign on that, at that point new term will start. So here how many terms total we have? First of all, this one, this is our first term, right? Because multiplication sign is there. Multiplication does not separate the terms. Okay, then our second term, it is plus 5 by 2. Then minus sign is there. Okay, so our second term is only 5 by 2. And our third term is 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. So total we have 6 terms. Sorry, total we have 3 terms. Okay, our first term is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. This is our first term. Plus 5 by 2. This is our second term, and minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. This is our third term. Okay, so total we have 3 term here. First term, second term and third term. Okay, then now in first term and third term we can see 3 by 5 is common, right? 3 by 5 is common because 3 by 5 present in both this term, first and third. Okay, so first of all what we can do, just arrange the term. Okay, we can arrange the term with this sign. So here first of all I am writing our first term minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5. Then I am writing our third term. Our third term is minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. This is our third term, right? Then I am writing second term plus 5 by 2. If we write our terms with this sign, then we can change the order of the term. Okay, so here I am changing the order of term, right? So alternately what we write here, first of all I write our first term, then I write our second term, then I write our third term, and then I write second term. Okay, so first step is I change the term because 3 by 5 is common in both the term. So if you can look back, then in this PDF there is one reason is written using associative property. Using associative property, right? In associative property we can change the order of the terms, right? So here that property we use here, using associative property, I am writing first term, then third term, and third second term. That means I change the order of the term. Okay, our second term is ready. Sorry, second step is ready. Now 3 by 5 it is present in both the term, so I can take common. Okay, so in next step I take 3 by 5 as a common. If I take 3 by 5 as a common, then what is remaining? Now in first term, what is our first term? Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. But I take this 3 by 5 as a common, so what is remaining? It's a minus 2 by 3, right? It is minus 2 by 3. Now in third term, 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. Right now I transfer this into second position. Now in this term again, before that minus sign is there. Here 3 by 5 is common. Okay, so what is remaining? First of all, this minus sign, so minus and 1 by 6. Okay, so we can write like this, 3 by 5 I take as a common. So what is remaining? In first term minus 2 by 3 remaining, and in second term minus 1 by 6 is remaining, because 3 by 3 upon 5 we take as a common. Okay, so here it is written that 3 by 5 common, then in bracket minus 2 by 3 and minus sign and 1 by 6, right? So minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6, and our third term remains as it is, plus 5 by 2, it is as it is. Okay, so here 3 by 5 common, remaining part that I written in bracket minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 and plus 5 by 2 as it is. One more thing, here we take 3 by 5 common from this two term only, right? In third term 3 by 5 is not present, that's why we write our two terms in bracket and we write 5 by 2 separately. We cannot write in the bracket, okay, because 3 by 5 we take common from the two terms only. Then just simplify this bracket. Before that 3 by 5 is there. Now simplify this bracket. That means we need to take LCM, right? Now in denominator 3 and 6 are present. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? It is 6, because 6 comes in both the table. 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. Okay, so LCM of 3 and 6, it is 6. Now here first term is 2 by 3. If I convert denominator 3 to the 6, then what I need to do here? If I multiply and divide 2, then our denominator becomes 6, right? 3 2s are 6. So same thing we need to do in numerator. Now in numerator minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 2 2s are 4, plus minus minus. Okay, again I explain you. 3 by 5 common, here minus 2 by 3. Now I am saying that LCM is 6, that in denominator I want 6, right? Here I want 6. So how can I convert 3 into 6? I need to multiply with 2. So same thing we need to do with the numerator also. We multiply and divide 2. So alternately this 2 cut, right? So our question remains same, but we only change the form of the question, right? So we can write like this, minus 2 upon 3 into 2, multiply 2 and divide 2. So in denominator it becomes 6. So here I already written 6. Now in numerator minus 2 multiply 2, minus 4. Okay, then second term it is minus 1 upon 6. I am talking about bracket, right? In bracket second term is minus 1 by 6. Here 6 is already present in the denominator, right? Here 6 is already present in the denominator. So I can write directly numerator here, that means minus 1. Okay, and our third term plus 5 by 2, it is as it is in this step. Okay, so what we do here, here I am taking LCM. So here I need to convert this 3 into 6. So 3 2s are 6. So that 2 I need to multiply with the numerator also. That's why here minus 4. And in second term 6 is already present in denominator. So directly we to write this. So minus 4 minus 1 upon 6. Okay, now simplify this bracket. So before that 3 by 5 is there. Now minus 4 minus 1. Minus minus plus, 4 plus 1 5. In denominator it is 6. and in numerator minus minus plus 4 plus 1 5, but we need to give sign of big number, right? Here big number is minus 4 and sign of big number is minus, that's why I need to give minus sign. Okay, what is the simplification of this bracket? So minus 4 minus 1 upon 6, so minus minus plus 4 plus 1 5 upon 6, we need to write big number sign, it's a minus. Okay, so here 3 by 5 and multiply minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Why I solve bracket first? Because I am using a BODMAS rule. Okay, so first of all I need to solve bracket, that's why I solve bracket. Now these two terms are in multiplication, right? Now as per the rule of BODMAS, we solve our bracket, then we can do the division and multiplication process, right? So here this is a single term, right? 3 by 5 multiply minus 5 by 6, this is a single term. Why? Because 3 by 5 and 5 by 6, it is in the multiplication process, that's why. Definitely there is a one minus sign, but this minus sign does not separate the terms because it is in bracket, right? If 3 by 5 minus 5 by 6 is there, then definitely this minus sign will separate the term. But here 3 by 5, it is multiply with minus 5 by 6. So here multiplication sign is there, that's why this is a single term. So in single term, we can cut the numerator and denominator, we can simplify it, we can factorize it. Okay, now in single term, we can cut this 5 5, right, from numerator and denominator. So 5 5 cut, same thing, here 3 2 are 6, so we can cut it, right? Now let's see in numerator. Nothing is present in numerator, right? Nothing is present in numerator, that means we need to write 1, because this is a multiplication and division process and multiplicative identity is 1. So nothing is remaining in numerator, that means we need to write 1. Okay, before here one minus sign is there, then we need to write minus 1. In denominator 2 is present, so write down minus 1 by 2. Okay, now this plus 5 by 2 as it is. Okay, now we need to simplify it. So we reach at this step. Now minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Denominator is sum, so we can directly simplify our numerator. In numerator minus plus minus, minus plus minus, right? I already explained this in the theory part. So 5 minus 1, it's 4. Big number sign, big number is 5 and sign of 5 is plus, so plus 4, right? But if plus 4, then if we do not write with sign, then even it's a right. Now in denominator it's a 2, right? First of all we simplify our numerator, plus 5 minus 1, it's a 4 and divide by 2, because 2 is present in denominator in both this term. So 4 by 2, now 4 by 2, so 2 to the 4, so our final answer is 2. Okay, our final answer is 2. So what we need to do, first of all, you can also give the brackets to your terms. Okay, first of all we need to identify the number of terms. This is our first term, this is second term, and this is our third term. Okay, we can write in bracket even. Now just to see that anything is common in two terms, so we can see that here 3 by 5 present in first term and third term, right? So what we do in the second step, we just arrange the term, right? Now transfer this term in from third position to second position, and transfer this term means second term to the third position. By using the associative property, we can do this, right? So in second step, we just change the order of the terms. Now in first term and second term, we take 3 by 5 as a common. If we take 3 by 5 as a common, then cut the 3 by 5 from both this bracket. Now what is remaining? In first bracket we can say that minus 2 by 3, right? In between portion of two bracket one minus sign is that, that's why I written here minus sign. Now in second term 3 by 5 is cut because it's a common. So what is remaining? It's a 1 by 6, that's why I written here 1 by 6. Okay, and our last term plus 5 by 2 is as it is. Now what I do, I just simplify the bracket. Minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. I take LCM, right? LCM is 6. So first of all write the denominator 6. Here 3 2s are 6. So same thing we need to do with numerator. Okay. Here 3 2s are 6. So same thing we need to do with the numerator. So in numerator 2 2s are 4 plus minus minus. And in second term minus 1 by 6. Already 6 present in denominator. So directly we need to write with the sign minus 1. Before that 3 by 5 is common and plus 5 by 2 as it is. Then we simplify this. Minus 4 minus 1 minus minus plus 4 plus 1 5. Big number sign, it's a minus. So here 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 and plus 5 by 2 as it is. Okay. Then now this bracket is converted into single term. After that if we do not write in the bracket, it's okay. Okay, if you use the bracket then even it's a right. If you do not use the bracket then even it's a right, because now it is converted in the single term, that's why. Now first of all do this multiplication process. 5 5 cut here, 3 2s are 6. So here we get minus 1 by 2. Again our plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now denominator is same. So plus 5 minus 1. It's a 4 by 2. 4 by 2 it's a